Unlock the secrets behind email verification and transform your marketing efforts today. Imagine sending emails confidently, knowing they'll land in valid inboxes every time. Every marketer must understand the importance of email verification for their campaigns. Manual email checks can be unreliable, tedious, and a complete waste of time. Using an efficient email checker ensures real connections with your audience and higher ROI. Email verification tools can shield you from dire consequences, such as hard bounces. Let's dive into the fascinating world of email verification and its crucial benefits. What exactly is email verification, and why is it essential for marketers everywhere? An email checker validates your list, ensuring messages reach real users promptly. This tool helps prevent soft and hard bounces, protecting your sender reputation. When you verify emails, you drastically improve the quality of your data pool. A clean email list significantly boosts your campaign's success rate and engagement levels. Now, let's explore how email verification works and why every step matters. Validating an email begins with checking addresses for correct syntax and format. Each email address consists of a username, an @ symbol, and a domain name. A valid address adheres to rules ensuring the syntax is precise and proper. Domain checks confirm that businesses associated with email addresses still exist. Email verification also spots invalid addresses, including disposable and mistyped emails. These faulty emails are detrimental, leading to high spam complaints and low engagement. Sending messages to invalid addresses can severely damage your overall sender reputation. We can't ignore the importance of maintaining a high sender reputation in marketing. Your emails must avoid spam traps and catch all addresses associated with low-quality outreach. With fewer invalid emails, your campaigns will see higher open rates and conversions. Let's discuss the different types of email verification tools available for you. Bulk email verifiers check extensive lists quickly, saving time and effort effectively. Meanwhile, real-time email checkers can validate emails as they are collected. Automated email verification systems ensure that your lists remain accurate over time. Understanding the right time to verify email addresses can make all the difference. Businesses new to marketing must prioritize email verification from the very beginning. Cleaning your email lists prevents damage to your sender reputation and profitability. Regular verification creates trust and maintains strong relationships with your audience. Email verification, safeguard your campaigns, enhance your performance, and watch your growth soar.